This quick guide will teach you how to change your Grammarly email. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or just want to streamline your online accounts, updating your email address on Grammarly is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to get this done. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Grammarly account page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your current email address and password to access your account. This is an important step to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu. You'll see a tab labeled Account. Click on this tab to access your account settings. In the main panel, you should see a section labeled Profile. This is where all your personal information, including your email address, is stored. Here, look for the Update button or an Edit pencil icon next to your current email address. Clicking this will allow you to make the necessary changes. Now, for security reasons, Grammarly needs to confirm that you are indeed the account holder before you can make any major changes, such as updating your email address. When you click the Update button, you'll be prompted to verify your identity by entering your current password. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures that only you can change your account details. After you've entered your password, you'll see a field where you can type in your new email address. Make sure to double-check the new email address for any typos, as this will be the primary way Grammarly communicates with you. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the Save or Change Email button to finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Grammarly. You might receive a confirmation email at your new address, so be sure to check your inbox and confirm the change if necessary. This helps ensure that all future correspondence from Grammarly will go to your new email address, keeping you up to date with any important information or updates from the service. Remember, keeping your account information current is crucial for maintaining access and receiving important notifications. If you ever run into any issues or need further assistance, Grammarly's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips to enhance your digital life. Until next time, happy writing.